Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss our topic the electronic boards in a Scrum framework. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management, Scrum framework and software development. So first of all, we have to understand that what is actually Scrum. A Scrum is basically the agile based approach in which we divide the project into multiple chunks, and with each chunk, that is called a sprint, we deliver the work to the customer when all the sprints are completed. So that means the whole work is completed. Now, electronic board in Scrum, that means it refers to digital tools and software applications that facilitate the management and visualization of Scrum artifacts, including product backlog, sprint backlog, and progress of work during a sprint. Normally, we used like whiteboards and corkboards to visualize the work which is remaining, which is ongoing. However, nowadays things have been changed and many softwares are available, and these digital boards are designed to enhance collaboration, transparency and efficiency within Scrum teams, especially when team members are distributed across different locations. For example, you can think of this. For example, one team is sitting in Australia, one is USA, one in India, and one in Pakistan. So basically what they can do, they can use different software tools like for example Jira, so that they can collaborate with each other. Say they can visualize the work, like there are so many boards are available in electronic boards, software boards are available in the Jira, through which they have the visibility that what work is going on, what is the status of the work. So first is the key components and features of electronic boards. First one is the product backlog. Friend, electronic board provide a visual space to maintain and prioritize the product backlog. This includes user stories, features, and other work items. So, like for example, in the Jira software, we have a proper proper electronic board is available, through which you have the clear visibility about the user stories, about product backlog, and team members can easily drop items to adjust their priority in the backlog item as well. So it's a very good tool for product backlog. Like rather than maintaining the product backlog in the Excel or Microsoft Word, obviously it will be a manual work and it will be difficult to share with them on every like weekly basis, daily basis. You can simply create the product backlog in the nowadays like softwares available to maintain the product backlog, and the maintenance of the product backlog will become much easier in the softwares. Sprint backlog, teams can use electronic boards to visualize the sprint backlog as well, including committed user stories and track for current sprint as well. Changes to the sprint backlog are reflected in real time, ensuring that the entire team has the latest information. Again, friends, see that because it is electronic, it is based on database and it is updating on the real time basis. So whatever the things, whatever the features have been decided to agreed in the sprint backlog, it will be updated electronically, and it will be updated. Everyone has visibility that what items are included on the sprint and what items at which the Scrum development team is working. Then task management means the electronic boards often include task management features, allowing team members to create, assign and track individual tasks associated with user stories. Team members can update the status of tasks, indicating whether they are in progress, completed or blocked as well. For example, if one team is sitting in Australia and one is in Canada, so they can easily update their tasks, and like the team will have the other team members have the visibility about the status of the tasks as well, that which tasks have been completed and which are blocked or which are in progress as well. Burn down chart and burn up charts. These charts, we know burn down chart means that the work which is remaining, in burn up chart which means the comparison between the actual and the plan. So basically these charts are also very important, and nowadays these charts are easily available and electronically created in softwares as well. So it's a very big advantage of these softwares, because rather than making these softwares by using Excel sheets and Microsoft Words, obviously it will be a manual work, and also you can generally use like whiteboard to present the burn down chart or burn up chart. However, as these softwares are nowadays available, your teams can review historical charts to identify trends and make informed decisions as well, and these softwares will automatically generate the burn down chart and burn up charts using the existing data, and a team can visualize the team progress during a sprint as well. Then collaboration and communication means that team members can add comments or participate in discussions directly within the electronic board, enhancing the communication. If there are any notifications are there, so it will be automatically inform about changes and updates. Again, these softwares are very helpful for collaboration and communication. For example, same thing, that if you want to give a message, so like for example, you can just simply send a message to the team member using these softwares, and they will easily see what's going on, and it will basically enhance the communication, and also it will enhance the collaboration among the team members as well. Also, you can make groups as well, so that every you can, for example, software development group is separate, the operation team is separate, so like you can manage the communication, that the messages which are related to software development which will only be sent to the software development team here as well. Integration with tools as well, like some electronic modes integrate with version control systems, allowing for seamless coordination between development activities and Scrum artifacts. Integration with other tools such as chat applications or project management software to streamline workflows is also very much possible. So integration with the project management tools, chat applications are also possible, and it will enhance the efficiency as well. Customization means that teams can often customize the view of the electronic boards, like for example, you can change the color theme, you can change the representation, you have the ability to filter and sort items on the board based on various criteria and factors as well. Then access controls means electronic board typically offer role-based access control to ensure that team member have the appropriate level of access and permissions. For example, the senior level can have the visibility to see the cost, and the software development team can have the access of the status of task as well. Then remote collaboration means the team can conduct virtual stand-up meetings using the electronic board, updating progress and discussing impediments, enable team to collaborate and work on Scrum artifacts regardless of their physical locations as well. Examples of electronic board tools are Jira software, which is basically a popular project management and issue tracking tool that supports Scrum and provides customizable boards as well. Then Trello, which is a user-friendly and visual project management tool with boards, lists, and cards. Azure DevOps boards, part of the Azure DevOps suite, it offers comprehensive features for working tracking. Asana is basically a flexible project management tool with boards allowing teams to manage tasks and collaborate visually. Monday.com, a versatile work operating system with customizable boards for project and task management.